I barely have edges. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Favour, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your knotless braids. Also, if this is your first time watching me, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell button so you're notified every single time that I upload a video. And also make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment or two in the comment section down below. Let me know how you feel about this video. Let me know if you like it or not, and let me know what you would like to see next. Alright y'all, let's hop into it. As you guys can see, I already started, and this is what I have so far. So these braids are a little longer than the last one that I did, so I guess this is different for me. And also, I've never tried like a, burgundy color before, so this is also new to me. And so far, I really like it. I can't wait to see how it turns out, and yeah, just know that you're in the right place, and I'm about to put you on. And I'm gonna show you guys 2 ways to do this. So for this particular style, I got the Freestress 3 times clean therapy, whatever, hair, and then it's honestly not the best hair that I've used because the ends of it are really they're just super rough. I have to brush it out a lot, and I don't really appreciate that. So as you guys can see, this hair is not exactly thin, but it's not exactly big as well. I wanted them to have a little bit of volume compared to the last one that I did, which is my first video on YouTube actually. So if you haven't seen that, make sure you check it out. I was still a baby back then. Oh, I still am, but yeah. So as you can see, it's not exactly thick and it's not exactly thin. So each time I try to go in with this amount of hair. So this is kind of what I go for, and I use at least 3 to 5 of them, depending on. So I started off by applying the less gem to my hair, after which I combed it out. Sometimes I do comb my hair out then apply the less gems, but anyway, using the invisible method that I introduced to you guys in my braiding 101 video, I went ahead and braided 2 to 3 times, after which I added the fake hair, and then I braided 2 to 3 times again, add another fake hair, and then braid 2 to 3 times. I do add about 3 to 5 pieces per braid, but feel free to add as much as you want. It all depends on the the volume and the it all depends on the volume, how long you want your hair to be, and how much money you're willing to spend, and how much packs of hair do you have. So yeah, anyways, it's just a bunch of repetition, and I'm just gonna keep braiding. I'm gonna zoom in a lot so you guys won't miss anything, but yeah, feel free to ask me any questions in the comment section. So this is the second method. Also guys, based on the fact that I'm braiding my hair myself, sometimes I do use both method in one braid. Like, trust me, it depends on the side of my hair that I'm braiding. There are some part of my hair that are more difficult to braid, so I do go for the visible method at first, and then when I get more comfortable, I switch to the invisible method. By the way, the invisible method is my favorite because I just don't have to leave extra hair hanging, but sometimes it does come in handy when you're braiding areas of your hair that are super difficult to braid. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and trimmed the ends of this, and I also applied some hot water to it. As y'all can see, it's still a little damp, so yeah. Alright guys, this pretty much completes this video. I did my edges, but as you guys can see, I barely have edges. I don't believe in leaving out hair when braiding your hair. I believe as your hair gets older, you know, this is gonna grow more, and then you have stuff to play with. But yeah, I just try not to force it personally. Period! So I have 52 braids, and I also have this much hair left. So I'll be using this for something random, I don't know. This pretty much completes this video. Let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section. You know, let me know if you have any concerns, suggestions, or questions, and I'll be there to answer them. Also, let me know what you'd like to see next. Let me know if you want me to do a video on how to style it, you know, how I retouch it, or, you know, another braiding video. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Like, help a girl out. Subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Please make sure to subscribe, and also please make sure to subscribe and also turn on your post notifications, so that way whenever I upload a video, you'll get a notification about it. And yeah, share this video, guys. Share it with everyone. Share it on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, your people. Just make sure you get the word out, because you'll be helping me out by sharing this video. So please make sure to share it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. By the way, I plan on uploading every Sunday at 6 p.m. So make sure you keep an eye out for my videos, because honey, I'm coming through with, you know, sugar wax, more tutorial and update on my skin. I mean, you guys can kind of see it right now because I don't have on makeup. I don't have on foundation, but yeah, I'll be giving an update on my skin. I also have some videos coming up with, you know, that is related to our I don't even know what to call her this one, because this girl don't want to put out her album. But regardless, I might be reviewing some fancy skin products with y'all, man. Yeah, just a little something, just a little. But yeah, make sure to subscribe, guys, and keep an eye out for all this amazing videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. And like I always say, ciao.